Well, well, well. I should have known, you scheming little thief.
Well, maybe that was a mistake. Oh, no. Oh. And you can't teleport. That's great. Give me this map. I'm going the wrong way. I gotta go. Wow. Oh, man.
Welcome, dear customer. Yes, right this way. Right this way.
All right. Here we go again. Except for all these arrows that I'm using here. Always aim center balls, apparently. Strong foe indeed. I'll lure him out here. At least fight him in the light. Wait, can I? That's what you get. Oh, what was that? Rusty key. Just run into this ladder for another 5 minutes. Mushroom ahead. Yeah. They weren't lying. Oh great, another one of those. Another one of the tough guys. Got a back door over here. A little bit faster than you. Liar ahead. That's always a good sign. Good call. Good call. Throwing daggers, that was not worth the run and jump over here. Alright, got a statue. We got some dumb birds. Which I don't like. But are these just What you gonna do to now, bird? Yeah. Yeah. I don't like them. They're too erratic. Bothers me. Come here. Join all your bird friends. Join all your bird friends. Alright, so I have vanquished the birds. This is a comforting place for me now. Be wary of trap. Awesome. Ah, I see. Oh, it's a bird. Oh, it's a bird throwing barrels. This is the worst. Come on, let's join the fun in here. You pecking on me? You pecking on me, sir? Come on. No, 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 no. Don't you go all the way back there. Alright, hopefully that's the end of the birds. Let's enjoy some rooftop gallivanting. Alright, let's see if this guy will instantly turn on me. Yep. Oh. Oh, can't parry shit. Interesting. It looks like the Scion from the beginning. Stealth indeed. Fuck. Oh. Are you kidding? Unlimited times?
Pleasure to see you. Thank goodness I'm still looking for my own. It's not easy by any means.
Mistakes were made, really. I probably shouldn't have bought 2 of these. Alright. Back doing a little bit more just exploring. Kind of ran into some getting my face kicked in, so take a respite from that. Get my face kicked in by this dog. Oh, rat. I haven't seen a rat yet. Oh. Sorry, there's too much stuff going on for me to leave any survivors. Rat lords. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. This seems unfortunate. So much health. Oh my god. I just want to be forgiven. Oh! Oh no! Now we make a break for it. Oh, can't get in there. Okay, can't go through there. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, this is not good at all. I mean, I guess we just go down here. Go down here and hope for the best. Oh, well. Well, we got a new, wait a second. Okay, well, I guess, that sucks.